Hello again there, YouTube fans. This is the Real Creepy Doll Man here. I'm back with an all-new episode. It is August the 11th of 2022. Time is now 11:20 a.m. Okay, this marks the 5th anniversary of Redbird, the Haunted Doll, and Eagle, the Haunted Doll, made their first big debut here together on YouTube on August the 11th of 2017 by their owner. The Real Creepy Doll Man brought them both here as an exclusive for all the YouTube fans and all you diehard Real Creepy Doll Man fans to see. In our communications and in our investigations with both me and the Real Creepy Ghost Hunter Jr., we found the name of these two siblings. Now the first is a female spirit, and she's attached to the female Native American porcelain doll, and her name is Redbird. Now the second one is a male spirit, and he's attached to the male baby porcelain doll, and his name is Eagle. Both are sister and brother, and they are both siblings. Now, as we interview further, it was actually the female spirit, as me and the Real Creepy Ghost Hunter Jr. has communicated further. It seemed that the female spirit, Redbird, was the one that communicated with us the most, and her brother communicated with us less, meaning Eagle only communicated with us very less, but we talked with the female spirit the most of this ordeal. Both Redbird and Eagle gave us both little detail how they both lived their lives just before they both died together. But Redbird gave us a description of what race they are. They're both Cherokee, they're Native American from the Cherokee tribe. Redbird is a teenage girl, age 18 years old, and Eagle is a teenage boy, age 17 years old. Sad to say, tragedy came. As we can conclude further, Redbird gave us terrifying details that both her and her brother were killed together. They were both shot. Raped, and killed by white men. Both of them died together on probably the same time, on the same day. Redbird died at the age of 18 years old, and brother Eagle died at the age of 17 years old. They both died in the year of 1741, month and day unknown. Now I say this to all the parents: there is a parent advisory to this episode to all parents. If you have small children that wants to watch this episode, they must get their parents' permission first due to the graphic nature of murder, violence, and rape. Now, so keep watching more to come. We still got more anniversaries to go for this month. We have only 4 more to go for this month to finish up and wrap up for this August. So who will they be for this last 4 for August? Watch and find out. And this is the Real Creepy Doll Man saying to all the fans out there, goodbye, and God bless you all.